Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct 2 solar tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to perform the initial setup of your Garmin Instinct 2. So the instructions in this video will work on any Garmin Instinct 2, including the non-solar editions or the Garmin Instinct 2S. So in this tutorial, we'll start with how to turn on the watch, and then I'll go through the steps of connecting your watch to your phone and getting it set up with Garmin through the Garmin Connect app on your iPhone or Android phone. All right, so to turn on your Garmin Instinct 2, all you want to do is simply press the light button, which is the top button on the left side over here. Just simply tap that, and you'll see the Garmin logo show up. Your Garmin watch should come with enough charge to connect to your phone, but if it doesn't, all you need to do is get the included charging cable and plug it into the back of the watch right here. As you can see, it does have the plugs. Just plug it in and then go ahead and connect this to a wall charger or your computer, something like that. It might take around an hour to fully charge the watch. Once the Garmin Instinct 2 is turned on, you can go through the menu and select your preferred language by using the left up and down buttons right here to scroll through the available languages. Once you have found your language and it's selected, use the top right button labeled GPS. Press that to select your language. In this tutorial, we're going to be pairing with our phone. So if you don't want to do that, you can pair with your computer, but I will not be showing you how to do that. So once you see pair with phone, press the GPS button again to select that. So now it is looking for our phone. We need to go to our phone and we need to open up our respective app store, either the iTunes App Store on an iPhone or the Google Play Store on your Android phone, and find and install Garmin Connect. Check the description. I'll have direct links down there so you can just click that and get it installed very quickly. Once you get it installed, go ahead and open it up, and you may need to create an account if this is your first Garmin watch. Once you log into the app, if the watch is still in searching mode like this, it should come up, but if it does not, what you need to do is select More in the bottom right, then scroll down and you'll see Garmin Devices. Select Garmin Devices, and then at the bottom of this, as you can see, we have Add Device. Go ahead and select Add Device. And because the Garmin Instinct 2 was in pairing mode, it found it pretty quickly. So all we need to do here is select Connect It. And then your Garmin Instinct 2 will display a code. We just need to enter that in on our phone and then select Pair. Then it will go through the initial setup process of connecting your Garmin Instinct 2 to your phone. You may have to go through different menus on your phone for allowing the watch to have access to different things, such as notifications. Just select Allow. Then we need to set our typical sleep times. So this can help the watch figure out when we're going to sleep, but it also prevents notifications from waking us up when we are sleeping. So you want to make sure you set your typical sleep time. And then when it says, do you want to receive notifications during this time? Just select no, unless you do want to be woken up by notifications. After that, select next. And then right here, this is letting you know that the watch will automatically set goals based on your activity. So if you walk a lot, your step goal will continue to go up so that you always have a new goal to try to beat. So I like to do that, so I'm going to select skip. And as you can see, we are done setting up the watch on our phone, and we can select sync and it'll start syncing the watch for the first time. This also includes any software updates for the watch, so it's an important step. Now when we look at the Garmin Instinct 2, we do have some things to set up on the actual watch. First, you want your distance displayed in miles or kilometers, and you can cycle through these using the up and down buttons on the left, and then you can select it using the GPS button. So I'm going to select miles, 12-hour format, your gender, and then your birth year. After that, it wants you to set up your height and weight, so go ahead and choose that. Once you go through those steps, your watch will be set up where you can see the time, and you'll also get notifications from your phone. As you can see right here, I just received one. All right, so that's how you perform the initial setup of your Garmin Instinct 2. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct 2 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.